That's how we do it.
So welcome to the channel, guys. Checking in with the Lost Boys. Today we got a special treat for you. What are we working on, Anthony?
Oh, well, cutting the 240 out, cutting those fenders.
Yeah, so our boy Jacob decided to go wide body. He's gonna throw some work BSKF wheels on here. It's gonna be super gnarly.
The wide body fits like a charm. Seriously, the wide body just, it fits so flush, and when it comes up, when the body, it's just flush with right here.
Right.
Super flush, so it's not going to be sticking out a whole lot, so it looks like it was meant for the car.
Absolutely.
It really does, so.
So by adding the wide body, we're gonna get a lot more clearance to run some wider tires, get more camber, get more grip.
Definitely.
To shred more tires. It's what we do, man. It's what we do.
It's a living. It's a living.
Right? So what we're working on right now is an 89 240SX, also known as a Sylvia in the greatest country of all, Japan. Continent, whatever it might be. Couldn't ask for better weather. So if it's not snowing, then it's raining here in sunshiny Nevada. It's come a long way with this project, though. It's got a special treat underneath the hood, but you know, it's a secret, so.
Yeah, right.
So I have a Nissan 300ZX 92 that Jacob's trying to convince me to hack up. Let me know if you guys think you want to see a shredded 300ZX shell sitting in his garage.
Yeah.
Man.
That's all we need is more Nissans on jack stands.
Absolutely.
Even though I've seen some wide body, and they're pretty nasty.
Hard.
They look pretty nasty. So I would definitely, if it ever came down to it, it'd be super sweet to see that happen.
That's good.
So another one of Jacob's whips here is this 2001 Lexus GS. Super dope, sitting on bags with a 2JZ, that 2JZ life.
In winter mode, leave her alone.
Totally tucking, like crazy tuck.
Should've seen the KFs. Oh.
So this is one of the homies' rides, man. If you want to see more content on this, be sure to drop a like and a comment. We'll keep it coming. And of course, across the street, we got some more bag babies for you. It's my baby there, my Supra. And over here we got this dope ass GTI, turbocharged, slammed, on some air ride. That's what we do.
She's good. Oh, yeah.
It's our boy Anthony's ride.
Feeling bad. The setup's pretty good.
It's got some major plans for it, guys. So if the German scene is your thing, stay tuned. We got more coming for you. I so badly want to show you guys what's on this hood, but we'll save that for a later video. If you guys really want to see, you're gonna have to subscribe for more content, but I promise you I won't let you down.
Let me go that face mask.
The madness is about to begin. How many of you guys have actually ever like shredded your fender? This stuff gives me anxiety. It's not even my fender, guys. So
Never done it
this
before.
dude is like full send, dude. well. So what's next, Jacob?
This is going back. Cut some more. Start folding her.
So you're gonna fold it. So like, what's the purpose of that, dude?
Just to keep the structural integrity. As you can see, it gets all floppy bacon on you.
Right.
And this is all just inner chassis, so you want to keep that watertight.
Smart.
So yeah, we'll just keep cutting this lip off where the two fenders met.
Just keep cutting. Just keep cutting.
Just keep cutting.
It's like watching Mad Max at work. Super gnarly.
Roll. Getting there.
That angle though. Guys, the shop is crazy here. If any of you guys are like professional organizers and want to lend some tips, we sure would appreciate it, because yeah. Or, you know, if you just bored at home, you're like, hey, I really want to help those guys out and go home and like organize their stuff for them, be sure to let us know. You know, we're always looking for extra hands around the shop. So along with the madness, here he is, searching diligently for something important. God knows where it is. It's like a treasure hunt.
Ah, we're good.
Eureka!
Back in business, boys.
Maybe. It looks like the same size as the one on it. Yeah, maybe the same. Nothing good happened yet. Back to it. Depends on the film that's looking at our cluster.
Oh, boys. Get a time lapse of this.
Look how smooth that is, though, guys. I mean, come on. If you guys ever need some fenders cut, be sure to hit us up, you know? That's what we do.
Still on the search.
Struggle is real. Totally trying to find the extra grinder. Grinder, where are you?
Grinder. You gotta yell for it and it'll reply. Grinder.
I don't know what this cuts. What do you think? What do you think that cuts?
That's gonna be cutting like
Yeah, it looks like it's sort of like a mason.
that's gonna be like a mason, some concrete. That's pretty.
We're gonna have to MacGyver through this.
We're gonna have to do something.
We'll be back to you shortly.
You got grip tape?
What do you guys think? Should I full send the Supra? Chop her up? Maybe throw a TJ Hunt's Street Hunter kit on there? Maybe do a Pandem wide body? Time will tell.
I will be mad.
I say
We're back at it. Yep. A little mocking up of the fender. So he's running a fine line body kit on the 240
Yeah, full fine line tuning.
with some kooky tail lights. Lovely bash bar there.
Old street faction.
We'll try to put as many links in the description as far where we got the parts from if you guys are interested in copying for yourself. So we'll share our knowledge.
Blah, blah, blah.
Anthony, what do you think about Jacob's craftsmanship? Would you have him chop up your GTI?
I would say yes, actually.
Yeah?
Like a wide body
It
eventually.
would look so dope bagged with some wide body fender flares on there.
Oh yeah, that's my goal.
Super sick.
I'd be so happy to be able to get something like that. I've always wanted a wide body something, but
Right.
GTI, we'll make it happen.
Yeah.
We'll make it happen.
I mean, look at that. Such a clean job. This guy's got some talent. That's why I love him. He's a daddy. Totally adopted me. I'm just a bastard child. Why buy it by Jacob?
Yeah, right. Let's get some screws.
Gotta pay to play. Alright guys, we're pretty much wrapping up for the day. He's test fitting a wheel. I'm not going to tell you what it is. Why? Because it's a secret. But if you stay tuned, you'll find out. Drop a comment if you think, if you know what it is. Be curious to see what you guys think he's going to run on here.
You've seen it in the background.
Yeah, so there's a hint for you.
Alrighty, this is Anthony. I'll be closing us out today. Lost Boys Racing. So obviously you've seen the whole video. We were cutting out the fenders of the 240, and we're gonna have a lot more videos, especially this 240, because there's still a lot of stuff to do. So just check us out. So like and subscribe, comment. We would love when people give us, you know, hints and stuff of what to do with 240s and whatnot. You know, we'd always use an extra helping hand. So yeah, Lost Boys Racing. Subscribe, like, comment.
Time to run it up.
Peace.
I wake up. Yeah. I wake up. Flex. Thumb down now. Check. No drip this. Wet. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up.